Hello guys, very quickly before we get into the video, I'm not a professional. I don't know how to do all of the proper jobs to make this Mercedes rust issue go away. I won't be able to do it myself, so it's going to cost me a lot of money. So at the moment, I can't be doing that because it's just not worth it for the car. So let's get into the video. So fast forward a few days later, this side that I've just sprayed for the second time is looking really good and it just looks better. So I've given time for this side to dry out. I've parked it a different way around so the sun hits it for most of the day and it's really dried out. It's kind of lost some of its integrity. So we're gonna go over it again with a wire brush and then with the sander. Time to get some IPA all over this to clear off any greases, oils, etc. And now for the spray. Oh wait, I could do a taping up, couldn't I? Nearly forgot, I need to take this off so I can check the seatbelt mount. What I have just found is not a pretty sight. Why oh why? The thing is, it's getting to a point where I don't know how far to take it. I was never going to do a 100% job on it. It was just a try to reduce the amount of rust that was happening. Just being honest, I wouldn't have any idea myself how to do a proper job on any of it. It's not financially viable to do it properly. Right, let's get this out because I can imagine this is going to be some of the worst bit in here now. Guys, we can now see the extent of this water ingress causing all this rust. It's worse than I thought under here, a lot worse. It makes me question what to do next because it is really bad. As you can see, there's more rust than I thought it was going to be behind that driver's side rear window. For now, as a short-term solution, I will do what I've been doing, which is just spraying that Dinitrol rust converter. But yeah, so that is pretty much me just kind of trying to reduce the amount of rust under the windows. I keep sealing the windows up whenever I can. When it's a nice day like today, just seal, 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 and just every couple of hours or however long it takes to set, just kind of do it again, just to try and give it as much chance as possible to kind of survive. Am I feeling a bit disheartened? Yeah, maybe a little bit. Thank you for watching the video as always. What would you do if you were in my position? Would you chuck probably a couple of grand at doing the underside of the windows? I reckon that's what I've worked out anyway. That's based on what people have told me that have owned the cars. Might be too little, might be too much. So it's like, I just don't see it being worth doing it. That's my financial head, but then my heart is saying do it. Right, that's it. I'm going to say goodbye. Cheers for watching, and hopefully that will just help the rust to slow down a little bit and give me a bit more time to think about what I'm going to do. Right, cheers for that. Have a great weekday. Oh, better than mine anyway. Cheers.